Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by ensuring both devices are ready. Your phone or laptop and the TV must share the same network, and the TV must be in receiver mode. Once done, disable VPN or guest isolation because they block discovery. Make sure any required casting app is open on the TV or the TV's built-in cast feature is enabled. Now, on your source device, open the Systemcast/Share menu and look for the TV name. That list is how your device finds the screen. You'll now initiate the connection. Tap the TV name from the cast or screen share list and wait for the handshake. If a PIN or pairing code appears, type it exactly or confirm on the television. This secures the link and prevents accidental connections. Next, choose whether to mirror the whole screen or cast a single app. Mirroring shows everything. App casting uses less bandwidth. If the option exists, lower resolution for smoother video. Higher resolution needs stronger Wi-Fi. To finish, confirm audio is routed to the TV and the picture orientation fits the screen. Make sure the TV input corresponds to the active receiver app. Once the stream is stable, you can lock the device or start your content. If the cast fails, stop casting, reconnect Wi-Fi on both devices and try again. Sometimes simply restarting the casting app restores the connection. For persistent problems, restart the router, or fall back to an HDMI cable to guarantee a direct, reliable link.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.